Reviewing slime I ordered from Korea. Part 7. Wait, why is there a hole on top? This is a potato soup inspired slime. I'm excited. Looking at these realistic toppings. The spoon is so tiny and cute. I love it. Sorry I DK what I'm doing here lol. This was so fun to mix, although the base was quite melted and sticky. But the texture improved a bit once the clay was mixed in. It became a jiggly, bouncy texture. It smelled like potato chips, which it sounds kinda weird, but I like it lol.